In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your map sensor in your Subaru Forester. It's located on the top of the engine. You're going to take an 8mm socket and take out that bolt. Just put it off to the side. This is a connector. You want to push down on that. And pull it off. And then I like to twist these a little bit, loosen up that O-ring. Sometimes you can pull them out like that. At this point, I like to compare parts. Make sure everything looks the same. Looks good. Same amount of connector terminals. All right. Now you can place it back in. Sometimes it goes in, and sometimes you got to add a little bit of oil to help with that O-ring. That feels pretty good. And now I'm going to put my 8mm bolt back in. Hand tighten it. Connect your connector. Make sure the part that you push down is facing up. Make sure you hear the click. And then you're going to snug down the bolt. Wrist tight. Now that you've finished, you can start her up and take her for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.